how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser for your iPhone. That's what I'm going to go ahead and show you today. We'll first start just by tapping on settings. And then when we're in our settings, we want to scroll all the way down till we start seeing our list of apps. And we want to wait until we see our Google Chrome app. So then here's our Google Chrome app. We can go ahead and tap this. And then inside of our Google Chrome app, you'll see that we have this option, default browser app. So if it's not currently saying Chrome, then you want to go ahead and tap it. And then you just want to select it from your list of browsers and set that as your main browser. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, I will see you next time.